him to you as Lonnie Rashid Lynn Jr., you might not realize just who is coming to the stage. So Williams is more common now.
I just want to say it feels good to be here, and I'm very grateful to be amongst all you teachers, students, parents who care about our future. For all the youth out there, you are our future, creating a better world for all of us. And I believe in you. I believe that your dreams will be fulfilled just because of the people that care for you, the gifts that God gave you, and what you have inside you. So I salute all my teachers, students, and everybody in the KIPP program. This is the believer. These are the words of a believer, achiever, leader of the glow, feeder of the soul. Indeed, I bleed, blood and rust, struggle, walking in the trouble puddles, struggle, no progress, and looking at progress. The chimneys are like in this process, the birth of a son, the death of another. With love, I caress both mothers and told them who's in control is the one that's above us. I walk where money talks and love stutters. Body language of a nation, going through changes. The young become dangerous. Pain gets turned into anger. Anger gets sent through the chamber. It's tough when you all look like strangers. We are the sons of gangsters and stone rangers. If you could have an Ernie Barnes paint us, look at the picture. It's hard not to blame us when times begin. In the shop where the young die often. Do they end up in a coffin because we haven't taught them? Is it what we talking? We really ain't walking. Dudes, hustlers pay. How much did it cost them? Found myself on the same corner that we lost them. Real talking in their ear like a Walkman. Thoughts been around the corner to the world. When I see them, I see my baby girl. So believe. If you believe in the future, I want to see your hands up one time. That's all I need to see is just one time. You believe in a better future for all mankind. Yes. We believe. We believe. We believe. You believe. We believe. We believe. Okay. One of the main reasons I was able to come here and blessed to come here is because of my mother. My mother is a teacher, educator in Chicago. And she had